What's up, Internet? We're back. We got a repair to make on a Husqvarna ST324. The drive belt on it is super skinny. It starts, it runs, it will blow snow, but it ain't gonna move under its own power, and that's a massive problem for somebody that's trying to blow some snow. Santa was good to me. Got a new battery impact, so we can reach all the way the heck down here. Love it. That's it. So it's only 2 bolts. You have one little piece right here. There we go. Oh yeah. There you go. Once we get that off, we can see kind of where everything went wrong. It's a tiny little belt. We can get off our auger belt. Come on, you schmuck. So then we got to take off. We'll take off this whole pulley. Got all this on. I did have to loosen this piece, but now we got our drive belt here and the auger belt here. So in theory, I could put that back on. I'm not going to yet. Let's go ahead and lift this up. Kind of stands on its own. All right, now we have access to everything happening down. Now with a little ingenuity, we can see what the heck is happening on the other side here. Got to get rid of this old belt. You can see it's all torn up. So a little finagling, this kind of happened. All right, check this out. This is a fast gear, slower gear, and reverse. Whenever you want to drive, the friction wheel touches this disc, and then the thing moves. So if you want to go in reverse, it's going to be over here. If you want to go faster, it's going to end up on the other side, turning your wheels either one way or the other, respectively. Pretty damn cool. So I'm just going to take this plastic piece, put it back on over top of everything. Give me a moment. There's our long reach again. Put that all the way down in. There's one. I am not upset with this tool at all. This is awesome. Put this guy back in. Clipper in. And we are literally done. Let's give it a shot. Put that spark plug back on there. So fast, prime, choke on, fuel on. Let's give her a rip, tater chip. Nope. Nope. There we go. Problem was it wouldn't drive. Here's our drive for this. Booyah. That faster, and it goes. It's all fixed up, baby. Let's go nuts.